This actually might not be as hard as I thought, but then again, with the last cheesecake, I got cocky, and then I made 7. Hi, I'm Kiana, I'm a tasting producer, and today I'm gonna be testing a 4-flavored cheesecake. It's all gonna be made in one pan, and I wanna find out if it's possible, and if it works, I'll make a video out of it. How do I keep the flavors from not mixing together? So my first thought is use graham crackers, which these are all broken. Step 1, make sure your graham crackers aren't broken because nothing will work. I think if I wrap these in foil, I can get it to be a bit sturdier. Look at this, I can do a wedge. So this is my pan. So the goal is to make sure that chocolate and lemon don't touch. Caramel and raspberry can go either way because it doesn't really matter. There. Okay, this is where it gets stressful. Need to add gelatin to my cream and whisk it in there. Slowly pour hot gelatin cream into the cream cheese. That is a lot of very liquidy batter. The batter needs to be thick to hold it, and right now it's like really thin. You know what? It'll be fine. I'm just gonna divide it into 4 equal parts. So 2 1/4 into each bowl. Uh-oh, did I do my math wrong? Why does it feel like there's nothing left? This is correct math, I'm so sure of it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect today. I just want to find out if it works. I'm just gonna put all these in the fridge and it'll become cold. And then if I whip it, it should be thick and then it won't be ruined. Oh, it's working. It is sturdy, look at that. Chocolate is nice and melty. I think there's a good amount of chocolate. It's brown. Let's go with the tablespoon of lemon curd. All right, that should be all right for now. I'm just gonna dollop this. I don't want it to be perfect. Or like pink. It's probably already too much. I think I'm at that point where, oh, holy bejeez, I need to make a crust. A touch of sugar and some butter. Press it down really tight. Scrape. Oh jeez, this is getting messy. I think I need a new course of action. This actually might work. They're kind of standing up. Let's see if they're sturdy enough to put batter into. So far, so good. Okay, so there's like promise with this one. Oh God. This is not gonna be a pretty one, but lessons learned. I think a lot of progress has been made today. From the first batch, I realized I made too much batter, so I'm gonna try another batter reduced by 1/3. This is already so much better than the first batter. I'm just gonna divide it using my eyes. Is that smart? Smooth sailing. This is so much easier. Last time I had to like measure and do math. Just gonna pour in the butter, zip, and shape. Before it was just like all loose, and now it's like able to crunch together and compact, which is what you want for all those little bits to become one. The double crust is also another reason why I reduced the batter. I mean, normally like crust is like a great way to have like a foundation for your cheesecake. This is working. This is properly working. This is a bit thinner than my last batter. So like I don't think it's as firm as the other ones. There's definitely not enough of this batter because all the other cakes took it all. I mean, it's working. It's not pretty. So I really want to practice making it look good because I have chocolate hazelnut candy and I have the exact number. So next layer is the lemon curd and I'm just gonna spread. So it's gonna go for the whole chocolate turtle vibe. Caramel turtle. Turtle? Okay, looks like there's cockroaches on the cheesecake. Raspberry time. Swirl around. This is hideous right now. It was almost perfect. That looks weird, but you know, it's fine because I'm not gonna be using them. I think it's very safe to say that this cheesecake has come a long way from the first one to the second one. I think day 3 will be the one. I feel good about day 3. Day 3 is like not as scary because I know what I'm doing finally. So to do that, I'm doing 2 cups instead of 3 cups of heavy whipping cream and hope that there'll be no waste. Hopefully not too little. Is it too little? Yeah, this one's too low too. Of course, that's one that has plenty. This batter I messed up because there's too little, so they need to all be level. And I'm kind of over it for today. I thought today'd be done and nothing would go wrong. So I'm just gonna get ready for day 4. Today I can finally cut the cake. Right now I need to figure out how to get it out of the pan. It's on the interweb that you could use a blowtorch to help soften up the edges. It definitely feels less cold around the edge, so I think I'm gonna try using the knife now. Uh-oh, I might have blowtorched too much because I can feel my edges being a little melty. Uh-oh. I feel like I might have melted it too much. Oh, wait. Oh my God, it's just like the crust down there. I'm gonna put it on a cake plate. So I'm gonna put the whole thing in the freezer for a couple of minutes. All right, it's time for the moment of truth. It's coming off. It's off. Looks nice from the top. There's something up with this caramel one because everything else seems so much more firm. Gravity does not agree with that one. Maybe it's because the caramel sauce brand is like really thin compared to everything else. I don't want to make another cheesecake, but something needs to be changed. I know I'm gonna have to make a new batter. Hopefully only one more. Today is not the day. I think it's day 5, maybe day 12, but I finally have solved the caramel problem. So caramel itself has so much water in it, and that's why the cheesecake wouldn't set. So I'm gonna use dulce de leche, which is a lot thicker than caramel, and hopefully will hold together. It's like a lot thicker and a lot more golden. What have I learned? Oh boy. I have learned that you should not give up on anything because every little curve was an easy fix. It just took a little bit of like breathing time to sort out. It's ready. You can go and pop in the fridge, and 4 hours later, we'll have like a beautiful, perfect 4-flavor cheesecake. Oh, it's so... I don't have words to describe how excited I am right now. Whew. Oh, yeah. That is what I'm talking about. Look at that. That is one solid yet creamy piece of cheesecake. The past month, oh God, I have been developing this very crazy but very delicious recipe for 4-flavor cheesecake in one pan. And finally, it is done. And I am happy. It is beautiful. People like it. And hopefully our audience likes it too. Can I go home now?